To clean the steam wand after using it, wipe it down thoroughly with a damp cloth and lower to purge automatically. This prevents burnt milk forming on the outside and should be done after every use, including in between a single coffee-making session. If any of the holes in the steam wand tip become blocked, remove the tip, making sure not to unscrew anything but the metal tip itself. Clean the holes using the steam tip cleaning tool. Even partially blocked holes may affect the performance of the steam wand. If the steam wand remains blocked, you should use the steam wand cleaning powder. Add 1 packet of the powder to an empty milk jug with 240 milliliters of hot water. Remove the tip and place it with the steam wand into the jug to soak for 20 minutes. Then, clean, rinse, and replace the steam tip. Place the wand back into the milk jug and activate steam for 10 seconds. Then, allow to soak for 5 minutes. Purge the steam wand by activating steam a few times and then rinse the wand and jug thoroughly.